Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in today's lecture, we discuss reasons behind the analgesic agent. Before that, what is analgesic?
It is a pharmacological agent which, when
Externally,
administration,
generally do in the pain
use
receptor.
and point without affecting degree of consciousness.
They relieve the pain sensation without affecting the degree of consciousness. Then classification, narcotic
Narcotic and
Narcotic analgesic.
analgesic and non-narcotic
Non-narcotic
analgesic.
analgesic.
classification of narcotic analgesic. How many classes? Tell me the classification of narcotic analgesic. Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Two classes, sir. Classes.
First one,
Pain and hearing and then
Caribbean. Second, benzyl isoquinone series. Papaver.
narcine and noscapine. These are the classification of narcotic analgesic in which most commonly used analgesic agent is morphine. Reasons. First one is tincture opium is used in diarrhea. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
So tincture opium is used in diarrhea. Their answer of this reason, yes, it's true. Tincture opium is used to treat the diarrhea because tincture opium contain morphine and which therapeutic dose, and its therapeutic dose is reduced as GI motility, then GI tone and peristalsis movement in the GIT and produces the constipation. Therefore, it is used in diarrhea. So tincture opium is used in diarrhea. Why? Their answer is tincture opium contain morphine. In the therapeutic dose of morphine, it reduces the tone, GI motility and peristalsis movement and produces constipation. Because of it produces constipation, it is used in the diarrhea. Then second reason, morphine is strictly contraindicated in case of brain injury. In contraindication of narcotic analgesic or the morphine, we discuss first one, it is contraindicated into the head or brain injury, and this one important for the MCQ. So why morphine is contraindicated in the brain injury or head injury? Because if the morphine is administered in case of head injury or the brain injury, they increases the CSF. What is CSF?
Cerebrospinal fluid.
CSF means cerebrospinal fluid. So morphine is administered in case of head or brain injury, then it increases the cerebrospinal fluid pressure and started the bleeding. Also, it depresses the respiration. It causes pinpoint miosis. It causes mental clouding. Hence, morphine is strictly contraindicated in the brain injury. Morphine is contraindicated in the brain injury because you have to write from their pharmacological action, that is in the side effect. Morphine is administered in case of head injury, then they produces increase in the cerebrospinal fluid pressure and causes bleeding. It also depresses the respiration. It shows pinpoint miosis. Then it causes mental clouding. Therefore, morphine is strictly contraindicated in head or brain injury cases. After that, next reason, morphine is strictly, हे दोन reasons समजले. First two reasons.
Yes, ma'am.
Why tincture opium is used in the diarrhea? Because it produces constipation by reducing motility, GI tone and peristaltis. And second reason, why morphine is strictly contraindicated in the brain injury or headache or head injury. They are strictly contraindicated, means morphine does not given in head injury or brain injury because it increases the CSF pressure, it causes depression of respiratory system, also pinpoint miosis and mental clouding. Because of this, all the side effects, it is strictly contraindicated in the brain injury. All of you understand these two reasons?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next, morphine strictly contraindicated in the children, old people and carrying women. Means again morphine is strictly contraindicated, means morphine is not given in the children, people and the carrying woman. Because if morphine is administered in the children, it may produces decrease in the rate and depth of the respiration, means it decreases the rate of respiration in the children. Then when it is given into the old people, then it develops the bronchospasm and symptoms like asthma in old patient. Firstly, in the children, when morphine is administered in the children, then it decreases the rate and depth of the respiration in the children. Then in the old peoples, when morphine is administered, it produces the bronchospasm and symptoms like asthma. Bronchospasm means there is bronchial spasm, that is sudden contraction of the muscles of the bronchioles. So it causes bronchospasm and shows symptoms like the asthma in the old people. And in carrying woman, that is in pregnant woman, when morphine is administered, it may cross the placental barrier, that is, it may depresses the fetal respiration. It crosses the placental barrier. Morphine easily crosses the placental barrier and it depresses the respiration of this fetus. Therefore, it does not advise in the carrying woman, in children, and in the old patient, old peoples. Because of their side effects to the children, old people, and the carrying woman. That is, in the children, respiratory depression or respiratory rate decreases. In old patient, it shows symptoms like asthma and also bronchospasm. And in carrying woman, when it administered, then it crosses the placental barrier and it depresses the fetal respiration. Therefore, morphine is strictly contraindicated in the children, old people, and the carrying woman. All of you understand this reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 72. Why the morphine is strictly contraindicated in the children, old people, and caring women? Anyone? Can you tell the reason? Answer of this reason. Why morphine is strictly contraindicated in children, old people, and caring women? What happens when morphine is administered in children? Sound is audible to all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
and stop respiration.
Decrease the rate of this.
What happens in old people? Symptoms like after the
Asthma.
administration of
Asthma.
morphine, then and also bronchospasm. Therefore, they are contraindicated in the old people. Caring women, they crosses which barrier? Morphine crosses placental barrier. Therefore, it may depresses the fetal respiration. Reason समजलं सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, all are present?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 56. 56 roll number. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
57. 62.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 62. Morphine is strictly contraindicated in head or brain injury. Why? लक्ष नाही का तुमचं? फर्स्ट लेक्चर आहे का? ह्याच्या अगोदर लेक्चर झालेत? Why morphine is strictly contraindicated in brain injury? Anyone?
Increase CSF pressure.
It increases cerebrospinal fluid and also they shows mental clouding, pinpoint meiosis. Therefore, it is contraindicated in brain injury. Then fourth reason, in treatment of biliary colic, morphine is always used with the atropine. Means biliary colic. In this condition, that is spasm occur with the pain, contraction of the muscle is occur with the pain, that is biliary colic. In the treatment of biliary colic, morphine is always used with the atropine. Why? The answer of this reason is biliary colic means pain due to the biliary tract spasm, means there is spasm occur in, that is spasm means contraction occur in the biliary tract. Therefore, biliary colic is occur. So, to stop this spasm or to abolish this spasm, atropine is act as antispasmodic agent. Therefore, atropine is used. And also morphine, which block the pain, that is, they relieve the pain by act as analgesic or antipyretic. Morphine relieve the pain due to the spasm.
Analysis.
Spasm झालेल्या पेन आहे. Pain relieved by or blocked by the morphine by act as analgesic. Hence, morphine act as analgesic. They relieve the pain occurs due to the spasm, that is biliary colic during the spasm ni pain occur होतात. That pain blocked by the morphine. And atropine, which abolish the spasm by act as antispasmodic agent. Abolish means to stop the spasm by act as antispasmodic agent. Hence, morphine and atropine, they act as synergistically. Synergistic effect आहे. Antispasmodic and analgesic. Therefore, they are given in combination with in treatment of biliary colic. Morphine is always used with the atropine in treatment of biliary colic because it acts as atropine acts as antispasmodic agent to relieve the spasm, and also analgesic morphine acts as an analgesic to block the pain sensation occurs due to the biliary colic. Therefore, they are given in combination. The next, morphine causes addiction. Fourth reason, समजले सगळ्यांना?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
15 मार्क्स साठी फायनल पेपर मध्ये रिझल्ट असतात. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next, morphine causes addiction, in which firstly it relieves the severe types of the pain. This point we discuss in the definition of narcotic analgesic. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Morphine causes addiction, in which morphine relieves the severe types of the pain. They are associated with the burn, perforation, fractures, tumors, trauma, palpitation, malignancy. And it gives quick relief from this pain and by act as good analgesic. Firstly, morphine, which act as good analgesic by relieve the pain. Those are occur from the burn, perforation, fracture, tumors, trauma, malignancy, palpitation, etc. When in absence of pain, जर का pain नसतील, and if you administer morphine without any purpose, then it leads to addiction. When administration or consumption of morphine in absence of the pain or in absence of disease, it produces pseudo sensation, that is false sensation of well-being, is known as euphoria. Thus, to enjoy this euphoria, that is to feeling of well-being, to enjoy this feeling of well-being and absence of disease or absence of pain, individual can administer continuously the morphine or this drug therapy, which develops the habit, त्याची सवय होऊन जाते, without any disease or without any pain. Administration of morphine, it leads to, it develops the habit and become dependent on this drug, that is depend on the morphine, and which leads to addiction, that is that individual get addicted to this particular analgesic agent or addicted to the morphine. Means firstly you have to write it act as good analgesic to relieve all the types of the pain which are generated during this condition. After that you have to write pseudo sensation of well-being, that is euphoria. Person can consume drug morphine in absence of disease and produces pseudo sensation. Then next point, to enjoy this euphoria, that is this pseudo sensation, person can take the more and more drug or continue take the this drug therapy and which develop the habit and person leads to addiction. That is, morphine causes addiction. This is reason behind answer behind the last reason, morphine causes addiction. All of you understand 5 reasons?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.